Here's how you create a before and after wipe in DaVinci Resolve. Over here on the left side we have the raw footage and on the right side we have the color graded footage. In the Effects tab, search for Edge and drag the transition into the timeline in between your clips. You can make the transition shorter or longer, simply by grabbing the edges and adjusting the time to your liking. If you're satisfied with this default transition, then you're all set. But if you want to go in advanced mode, let's do it. Here's how you can customize it. Make sure the transition is selected and now you have all the options on the right side in the inspector panel. By default, the transition goes from the bottom to the top, but if you want to do it from the left to right, set the angle on 90. And if you prefer right to left, just put -90. I will set 90 from left to right. If you want to notice the difference, the trick is to put a border. That way it's easier to see. I prefer to set the border to 10, but you can choose the size that you like. Also, the color of the border is fully customizable. As well, you can also change the opacity by dragging it left and right on this slider. So let's add the final detail. Set ease in and out for smooth motion. And lastly, if you want to save this instead of doing it every single time and use it in future videos, right click on the transition and choose Create Transition Preset. Just rename it and you're done. But as well, you can put it in favorite. Thank you for watching.